Pete's number 3, isn't it?
Yeah, look at those lines there.
I don't think we'll pick it up.
Zoom in on that. Might want to pull up my little one, Robbie.
I'll see where he heads. Can't do video in one.
First one went halfway to Tasmania. Good old double squid crumble with cheese pays off again. Get this one out, I think. It's going to take off again.
Yeah, for sure it's not half done.
Huh?
It's not half done. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Got to excuse your back, Pete.
Excuse
Fucking
me, back
rude.
for the viewers. You sit that on the seat, Robbie, you'll be able to grab a good rod in. At least it's not on the whiting rod. Might take you for another day to go around the boat.
You might.
People say why do fishermen have fake guts? Because the rod under there. Not done yet.
Just sat on the rod. I just... What?
Let that drag off a bit.
Nice one, Pete.
Huh?
She's a nice one. Is it right? It did come up.
It's come up. Well, I did that big run. It comes straight back at the boat. Just that wind goes for that brace.
What wind? There's no wind.
No wind? Oh, I thought there were boats bobbing around out there.
We're just sitting in that tide. We don't have many rods in the boat.
No.
Tripping over shit.
I'll buck them all out the back.
Plenty of noise, that's what they like. The old race.
Can't see.
Get your back, mate. Fuck.
Feel must have been more though.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. day that you think you wish you had like a 50-pounder out.
Doing that one.
Gummy will sit in the tide. The gummy will sit in the tide with his there. I've had one I couldn't move. It just stayed under the boat. Yeah. Wanted to giggle about it. Haven't even moved it. There you go, you got some.
Once they get it to the boat.
Tell everyone where we are. It's a secret spot, you can't tell.
It's a fuel, we've just pushed it off the boat.
Oh, he's getting up.
Papers like the right one.
Nuts are working this time, Pete. Nuts are working this time. Back. Skip it back. Oh, there's a bigger boat. Is that your wind on?
Wind on Plumber Street. Oh, hint of colour.
Huh? Hint of colour? What colour is it?
Round.
Round? The big round one.
We call that my dog's testicle sink arrangement for the viewers.
Yep.